Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 22 Woodriffe in Newburgh. This is a spacious 2-bedroom upper flat giving you gorgeous views to the front, great opportunity to really add value and make the perfect home, plus a great addition as you have off-street parking and a garden to the rear. So let me take you on the tour, show you everything that this property has to offer and keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, number 22, so upper flat. So these are your windows, which gives you amazing views to the front, which you'll see for yourself shortly. Off-street parking, as I said, so you get to take the full benefit of this driveway just here for off-street parking. And then we'll head up the path into number 22. Really peaceful location as well. You can probably hear the birds in the background. But we'll head up into number 22 and we will come back to the garden at the rear, but I want to start inside. So we enter the property. You've got a small entrance just here because we actually then head upstairs. Don't forget potential to add value. So you can put your stamp on this property and really make it your own. Now I'm going to save my favourite room until the end and you'll see why. So we're going to start just to our right with the main bedroom. So straight away you can see just how bright and spacious this room is, a really generous size. And you can see you're getting to take full advantage with those fitted wardrobes, so ample storage. But this is your main bedroom. You have your window giving you the outlook to the rear. And what's great as well is you have this additional space, perfect if you work from home or need a study area. So just tucked there is a brilliant space for your desk. So this is your main bedroom. Then we head into the hallway. So just there we have a storage cupboard. And then we come into your shower room. So you have your shower cubicle, vanity unit and WC. And then we come into your kitchen space. So ample cabinet and worktop space with this kitchen. Plenty of space as well for all of your appliances. So this is your kitchen space. That is a slight sneak peek at the view, but I'm wanting to wait to really showcase that. But this is your kitchen space. Then we'll come along. And we'll head into, so we enter into the living room and then we break off into the second bedroom. So I'm going to go into the second bedroom. So again, a generous size. Currently houses a sofa bed, but a generous size bedroom. And then you do have further storage just in that cupboard there. And again, you have an outlook to your garden at the rear. But the reason I was saving this room till last, and you'll see why in just a second. So you have this really bright, spacious living room. So ample space. But I absolutely love the fact that you have that really generous sized window. It allows you to have that gorgeous outlook. So you are a view right across the water. So in that distance, tucked down there, we have Dundee. Looking right across to Errol and Rate, and then pan further around and you are towards Perth. So gorgeous panoramic views of the Tay and countryside. It's just stunning. So you can just imagine just sitting here and just soaking that up. It's gorgeous. And then because you've got such a big window, you've got all that natural light flooding in. You've got your mantle and fireplace feature. But isn't this just a brilliant living space? And you really cannot get over that view. I just absolutely love that for an outlook. So this is your living space. And then let me head outside and show you the garden. So back down the stairs. So as I say, this was your entrance area. You can see there is space for shoe storage and to hang coats. But then we can step outside into your garden. So then to the rear, you firstly have this area just here. So you can see you have this fenced area. So you could easily sit in this space. Perfect wee sun trap, kind of private and tucked away so you can be in there. And then you also have the garden space just up here as well. So you can see you have this garden space also. So summer house shed for outdoor storage. Then you have all your mature shrubs and plants. But this is your outdoor garden space. And I love this area here for having a barbecue and just sitting, kind of family, friends, socialising. So this is the outdoor garden space. Let's recap number 22. That was the personal property tour for 22 Woodriffe in Newburgh. As you've just seen for yourself, really spacious 2-bedroom upper flat. Great opportunity to really add value and make the perfect home while getting to take full advantage of those gorgeous panoramic views to the front. Plus you've got the benefit of the off-street parking and getting to step outside to this garden at the rear. Location wise as well, not only is it peaceful and you can probably hear the birds in the background, but you have plenty of amenities within Newburgh itself. You have the co-op, you have the bakers, you have cafes, but also great for commuting from this location as you're just a short drive to the M90 where you can commute to Dundee, Perth, Edinburgh and beyond. Also from this location you can drive into Ladybank on Cooper if you're needing a train station for further commuting. So you really do get everything on your doorstep while getting to add value and make the perfect flat. So if you'd like to get further details, you can either message me directly or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV. Take